Hey all, and welcome to a super quick video on enabling the extreme memory profile on a B550 motherboard that you may have seen come up when you've run a benchmark on cpubenchmark.net or anything similar. Turn your computer on, hit Del to go into the BIOS, and as you do under Tweaker, should be your first screen you'll end up on. If you scroll down, you'll see extreme memory profile, XMP in brackets. Scroll down, use your arrow keys, your keyboard, hit enter, change it to profile 1. Okay, then it will take you back to the screen after you selected that. Then scroll across to the right now, so go through all the options. Don't need to make any other changes. Go to save and exit, hit enter on save and exit, and enter again on save configuration and reset. Let your computer reboot and then just make sure it turns on okay. If it doesn't, go back into the BIOS, go back into the XMP memory profile and change it to disabled because your RAM is not compatible. But if you're tuning your RAM, you probably know that it's compatible anyway. There we go. Cheers all.